Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile hacking. Ever wondered how you can turn your smartphone into a hacking supercomputer? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to explore 10 incredible apps that will completely change the way you think about your phone's capabilities. From network scanning to penetration testing, these apps will give you a taste of what it's like to be a real-life hacker. But before we jump in, remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Everything we discussed today is for educational purposes and ethical hacking only. Now, let's get started. First up, we have Termux. Termux is a terminal emulator. It's a gateway to Linux on your Android phone. No more being tied to a desktop. Install Linux packages and turn your phone into a portable hacking station. From network utilities to programming languages, it's all at your fingertips. Run Python scripts, manage files, or set up a web server. Termux opens up endless possibilities. It's about the mindset. Think like a hacker and interact with your device on a deeper level. And it's completely free and open source. Dive in and explore Linux without spending a dime. Unlock the true potential of your Android device with Termux. Next up is AndroRAT, and this one's a bit controversial. AndroRAT stands for Android Remote Administration Tool. As the name suggests, it allows you to remotely control an Android device. Now, before you jump to any conclusions, remember, remote access tools like this have legitimate uses in ethical hacking and penetration testing. They help security professionals identify vulnerabilities and secure systems. With AndroRAT, you can access a device's camera, microphone, files, and even its GPS location, all remotely. Imagine being able to track a lost phone, remotely wipe data, or even spy on someone. Wait, no, not that last one. Remember, ethical hacking is key here. AndroRAT's power should never be used for malicious purposes. It's a tool for learning, for testing, and for understanding the importance of mobile security. But be warned, AndroRAT can be detected by antivirus software, and using it without proper authorization is illegal in many places. So proceed with caution and always prioritize ethical hacking practices. Moving on to zANTI, a mobile penetration testing toolkit developed by Zimperium. This app is a favorite among security professionals and ethical hackers for a reason. It's packed with features that let you assess the security of your network in minutes. Think of zANTI as your own personal security audit team, right in your pocket. Want to map out all the devices on your network? zANTI can do that. Want to test for vulnerabilities like open ports or weak passwords? zANTI's got you covered. One of the coolest features is its man-in-the-middle, MITM, attack capabilities. With zANTI, you can intercept traffic on a network, potentially uncovering sensitive information. This helps you understand how attackers could exploit vulnerabilities in a real-world scenario. But again, remember, ethical hacking is paramount. Only use zANTI on networks you own or have permission to test. The goal is to improve security, not to cause harm. So, if you're serious about mobile penetration testing, zANTI is an app you need to check out. Just be sure to use it responsibly and ethically. Up next is Hackode, an app that lives up to its name. It's like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers, offering a wide range of tools in one convenient package. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the world of cybersecurity, Hackode's user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started. And don't let that fool you. This app is packed with powerful features. We're talking network scanning, port mapping, exploit databases, security feeds, and even a built-in Who's Lookup tool. Hackode puts a ton of information at your fingertips, making it an invaluable resource for ethical hacking and security research. One of the things I like most about Hackode is its focus on education. The app includes detailed descriptions of each tool and how to use it responsibly. It's a great way to learn about different hacking techniques and how to protect yourself from them. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one ethical hacking toolkit that's both powerful and easy to use, Hackode is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about cSploit, an advanced security toolkit that's not for the faint of heart. This app is designed for experienced users who need a comprehensive suite of tools for network security analysis. We're talking about features like ARP spoofing, DNS spoofing packet crafting, and even the ability to create fake access points. cSploit gives you a deep level of control over network traffic, allowing you to test for vulnerabilities and understand how attacks work at a granular level. But with great power comes great responsibility. cSploit is a powerful tool that should only be used for ethical hacking and security research. Using it on networks you don't own or have permission to test is illegal and could land you in hot water. So, if you're an experienced ethical hacker or security professional looking for a powerful and versatile toolkit, cSploit is worth exploring. Just be sure to use it responsibly and always stay within the bounds of the law. Next up is Network Mapper, more commonly known as Nmap. This app is a classic in network security, and for good reason. It's a powerful tool for tasks from network discovery to security auditing. Nmap scans networks to identify devices, operating systems, open ports, and services. This is valuable for ethical hackers and security professionals. Nmap's flexibility allows scanning of single devices to entire networks. Customize scans to get the information you need. Nmap is essential for anyone interested in network security. Now let's talk about DroidSheep, an app that lets you intercept web session profiles over a network. This one might sound a bit scary, but it's an important tool for ethical hacking and penetration testing. Imagine being able to see the website someone is visiting, the login credentials they're using, and even the messages they're sending, all without them knowing. That's the power of DroidSheep. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Using DroidSheep to spy on someone's internet activity without their consent is a major privacy violation and could land you in serious legal trouble. However, in the right hands, DroidSheep can be a valuable tool for ethical hacking and security awareness training. It can help you identify vulnerabilities in your own network and educate others about the importance of strong passwords and secure browsing habits. So, if you're interested in learning about web application security and the dangers of unsecured networks, DroidSheep is worth checking out. Just remember to use it ethically and responsibly. We've already talked about Nmap in its desktop form, but did you know it's also available as a mobile app? That's right. You can now carry the power of Nmap in your pocket, ready to scan networks on the go. The Nmap mobile app offers many of the same features as its desktop counterpart, allowing you to scan for devices, open ports, and services running on a network. While it might not be as feature-rich as the desktop version, it's still an incredibly powerful tool for ethical hackers and security enthusiasts. One of the biggest advantages of the Nmap mobile app is its portability. You can use it to quickly scan a network anywhere, anytime, without having to lug around a laptop. This makes it ideal for quick security audits, penetration testing on the go, and simply satisfying your curiosity about the devices around you. So, if you're looking for a powerful and portable network scanner, the Nmap mobile app is definitely worth checking out. It's a must-have tool for any ethical hacker's arsenal. Ever been annoyed by someone hogging all the bandwidth on your Wi-Fi network? WiFiKill is here to save the day. This app lets you control your Wi-Fi network by blocking other devices from accessing it. Now, before you go on a blocking spree, remember, ethical hacking is key. Only use WiFiKill on networks you own or have permission to manage. Using it to disrupt someone else's internet connection without their consent is not cool. But in the right context, WiFiKill can be a valuable tool for managing your own network. Want to prioritize bandwidth for a specific device? WiFiKill can do that. Want to boot off a device that's using your network without permission? WiFiKill's got you covered. Just remember to use it responsibly and ethically. After all, with great Wi-Fi power comes great responsibility. Last but not least, we have Fing, a network scanner app that's both powerful and user-friendly. Think of Fing as your personal network detective, providing you with detailed information about all the devices connected to your network. With Fing, you can see the device name, manufacturer, IP address, MAC address, and even the last time it was seen on the network. It's like having X-ray vision for your Wi-Fi. But Fing is more than just a device discovery tool. It also includes features like port scanning, wake on LAN, and even internet speed tests. It's a comprehensive network toolkit that's perfect for both home users and IT professionals. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues, securing your home Wi-Fi, or just curious about the devices on your network, Fing is an invaluable tool to have in your arsenal. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible apps that can transform your mobile device into a hacking supercomputer. Remember, use these tools responsibly, and always prioritize ethical hacking. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible with mobile hacking. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the tools and techniques at our disposal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.